Unit 9. Let's go. Last unit. Find the area. Okay. So that'd be the area for a circle is 10 pi r squared. So pi r squared. So r is equal to 10 in this case. So pi times 100 divided by, because it's a quarter of the pi, so that's 4. So pi 25 should be the area. Pi 25. There we go. Son is cosine at 500 centimeters long ramp on this incline. The wheels are 32 centimeters in circumference. How many rotations does he need? Okay. So he has. So you have this. The actual circumference is 32. It's going 500. So we could do 500 divided by 32. 16 rotations-ish. Incline on his skates. Yeah. The planet Neptune orbits the Sun. Its orbital radius is 30.1 AU. According to Neptune's is circular, what is the distance it travels in a singular orbit? So what is the circumference? So the circumference is d, so 2r pi. So that's 30.1 times 2, so that's 60.2 pi. What was the distance? There we go. A circle with a radius of 5 centimeters sits inside a 11 by 11 rectangle. What's the area of the shaded region? So 11 times 11 is 121, I think. 11 squared, yeah. And then we're going to subtract some ugly 2. Ugly 2. That's better. So 121, that's going to subtract 5 squared, so that's 25 pi, which is, here's 100th, which is 78.54. You have 121 minus 121 minus that is going to give us like 42 point, here's 100th, so that's 42.46. There you go. What is angle x? So d to f, I'm assuming that is a straight line, straight right there. So we can say 80, so 180 minus 80 minus 60 should give us the angle right there, which is 40, which seems to be correct. A vertical slice through a three-dimensional solid produces a two-dimensional shape. What could be the two-dimensional? Which of the following solids can produce this two-dimensional shape when sliced vertically? So that's a triangle that can. Vertically, it can't be with this. Actually, it might be able to, because we have a triangle. In some ways, we're going to get a rectangle. Are we always going to get a rectangle? I think we are. It's only one answer, yeah. X, so that's 90 degrees. So I have 4x plus 10 equals 90. So if d is equal to 4x, x is equal to 20. So what is solve for x? X is equal to 20. A candy store called a sugar built in a giant hollow sugar cube out of wood to hang above the entrance to their store. It took 13.5 cubic meters of material to build that cube. What was the volume? So the surface area is equal to 13.5. And so I guess the square root of 13.5. So we can get this each individual, and then we put that to the power of, oh no, it's less than that too. So it'd be 13.5 divided by 6. I guess it's 2.25. That's the individual surface of one surface. And then we're going to divide that by, and then we're going to do the square root of that. And then we're going to cube it. Is that right? I mean, I think it's right. There we go. What is the relationship between M and N? They are complementary. That the summation is equal to 90. Yeah. Which of the following can be used to solve for x in the diagram? 5x plus 80 equals 180. There you go. I mean, like, why not? Let's see, you have an isosceles triangle. 8.8, 8.8, and this is 8. Yeah, that seems very reasonable. What's the name for the marked angle? EAD or DAE. X is equal to what? So we're going to have 180 minus 33. 147. They need to put this 33 to show that these lines are parallel. X is equal to... Yeah, that seems right. The circle has the circumference of this. What's the radius? So we're going to have 6, 15.44 divided by 2. I get this radius times pi, and then we divide it by 3.14. That gets us 98 units. So I have, let's see if this is right. So 98 times 2 times pi gets 615.75 units. If we substitute 3.14 as pi, we have times 3.14. We get 615, which is right. Thank you, Christ. The arc length of the semicircle. Okay, so the entire circumference is going to be 9 times 2, so we get the diameter, times pi. That'll get us the entire diameter. And then we all divide this by 2 because it's half the circle, so these cancel, and we get 9 pi. 9 pi. Enter the exact terms of pi or use 3.14. There we go, last question. Nice. So x and y are supplementary angles. Y measures 116. What's the measure of x? So we have 180 minus 116, we have 64. So 64 plus 116 is 180. Yay, we did it, folks. Cool. Let's just sign that. Let's go to learner's home. 800,000, so you get like 10,000 energy points. Something like that. Okay, see you later. Bye.